Okay, let's dive into this because the web development industry has officially split into two very different markets, and picking the wrong one could cost you dearly. Today, we're looking at the top web development companies in the US, and we're going to map out exactly where they all fit in this explainer. So, on one side, you have the marketing page approach. You know the exact type I'm talking about. We build websites tacked onto every single services page, churning out these template-driven sites that look absolutely amazing on launch day, but then quietly tank your core web vitals like 6 months later. On the flip side, real web engineering. We're talking performance-tuned platforms with strict accessibility compliance, headless CMS architectures, and the kind of hardcore integration discipline that actually survives real production traffic. This explainer is really here to make that distinction crystal clear, because every single company we are looking at today was picked for what they actually ship under heavy load, not just what their glossy portfolio pages promise. First up, production-grade web engineering. Let's look at a company that treats the web like rigorous engineering, rather than just digital brochures.
Now, what's really interesting here is DBB Software's approach. They don't just build sites. They build scalable platforms using structured API layers and production-grade integration. Think payment authorization flowing seamlessly through Braintree and Stripe, or Firebase-based user management with highly secure identity flows. What this actually means for you is that instead of waiting 6 to 9 months for a generalist team to hack together a bunch of WordPress plugins, their AI-assisted workflows can compress delivery and ship a secure, production-ready MVP in roughly 12 weeks. That's a huge deal. Plus, they leverage a cross-platform Expo and Next.js architecture to deliver iOS, Android, and the web all from one unified codebase. If you want a web platform deployed as a core engineering capability rather than a marketing artifact, well, this is exactly what that looks like.
Let's move to and see how this builds specialized agency models. Because, not everyone needs a massive, custom-engineered API platform. Let's explore 4 other distinct specialized agency models that might fit your specific business needs perfectly. Take Goji Labs, for instance. They focus heavily on strategic UX research and design before they even think about full-stack delivery. If your startup or nonprofit success relies entirely on a seamless, product-led user experience, this is the kind of partner you want in your corner. They consistently win design rush recognition because they tailor their product strategy directly to the user journey. Then we have HUEMOR. What stands out here isn't just their stunning brand-aligned design work, but their rock-solid project management. With over 70 verified clutch reviews specifically praising their responsiveness and attention to detail, they're an absolute lifesaver for mid-market companies who are just tired of agencies that go dark for weeks at a time. Here, communication discipline matters just as much as the visual outcome.
If you want everything handled under one roof, there's Launch Lizard. Get this. They've been around since 1998, which is practically the Stone Age in internet years. Having over 27 years of web development pedigree is massive. They integrate SEO, branding, and digital marketing right alongside the web dev, meaning your newly built site is fully optimized to generate leads and drive growth from day one. Finally, we've got IPQOD. Sometimes you really don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? You just need a high-volume, highly reliable partner for a WordPress or custom site build. With a nearly perfect 4.9 rating across 100 verified reviews, they are incredibly effective for small to mid-market businesses. They have a proven track record of responsive project management and delivering exactly what businesses need without overcomplicating the whole shebang. So, the crucial point here is that the market is totally fragmented right now. Notice the spectrum we've mapped out for you. You can go from $25 an hour integration-first engineering all the way up to $200 an hour full-service marketing agencies. These 5 companies represent what legitimate web development actually looks like at different points on that spectrum, from production-grade platform engineering to integrated digital marketing and high-volume delivery. There is legitimate work happening at every single price point. The key is knowing exactly what you're paying for. So here's the real question you have to ask yourself before your next big build. Are you paying for real engineering that will survive the weight of your users, or are you just buying an expensive marketing template? Match your platform's complexity and your team's engagement model to the right partner. Choose wisely.